Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Today kind of new video, our new kind of videos where we're continuing this linked list journey. But what's happening this time, and the difference is simply, I had like my partial exams a few weeks ago. They started a few weeks ago, started preparation and stuff, and like I finished them yesterday and they were not that good to be honest. I was busy with my job and barely had time to study, but they're not that bad. At least now I know where I am. So after that, like I got a, oh my god, I got like a free off day, so I decided like just to come back in here since I haven't touched list since the last time I uploaded this video in here, which was in September, meaning 2 months ago, or we're in November, yeah. So since then I haven't touched linked list, and the second part of my C course this year is purely linked list. So I'm here today to do a quick revision on simply linked list and to do some exercises with you. So let's start with our regular prompt with ChatGPT, which I'm going to say, hi ChatGPT, or this is useless honestly. I used to practice linked lists in C. Is linked list a C essential data structure? I don't know. During my summer break, but I had to stop because uni started and I got busy with this stuff. So I want you to give me a full exercise so that I can brainstorm my linked lists knowledge. Note that I did singly linked lists. Okay, yeah, I think that's the prompt. And perfect. A full-scale linked list challenge will refresh everything you learn about pointer manipulation, node creation, traversal, and memory management. That is correct. Here's a couple of exercises. Here's a complete exercise designed to test everyone's concept, every core concept. Why am I reading wrong? Here's a complete exercise designed to test every core concept from singly linked lists. Oh my god. While forcing you to reason about structure and pointer flow. Exercise to record linked list. I think I've done this one before, but since like it has search, delete, insert, blah blah blah, then I guess it's yes. I did insert at the beginning. I did that. Yes. File size GPA. I think I did that as well. Okay, for reference, here's everything I did. Regarding linked lists in C. Oh yeah, there is a linked list folder. Yeah, I did like around 19 exercises, and each was like, oh, this one is empty, and this one like everyone had kind of its job: traversal, deleting, find, search, blah blah blah. All right, so yeah, why are those in here? Oh my god, I'm excited. Let's begin. You're asked to implement a simple student record management system using a single linked list in C. Each node represents one student and stores their ID, their name, and their GPA, and a pointer to the next student. Functionalities to implement. You must build a menu-driven program looping with do while that supports these operations. Insert at the beginning, insert at the end, blah blah blah. All right. Let me just start, close all of these to free RAM on my computer. All right, and insert, just come here. Okay, so what's the, okay, linked lists, is that 20? 20.c. Okay, so we of course I have to start with include stdio, and we have to include our string.h, since we're going to deal with characters, but I'm not sure if we're going to use it anyway. And we'll have to include our we have to include that header that usually control memory flow, which is called standard. Yeah, standard library .h. Okay, include. And we have to say struct node. How do I find a node? Okay, and it has integer id, char name of size 50, and float GPA, and struct node. Yeah, I think struct student struct node oy. Struct student and pointer next. Okay. Oh wait, no, let's just make functions instead of just doing everything in main, because that seems very long ass program. You'll need malloc for node creation and free when deleting. That's correct. Always check for null pointers before dereferencing. For insertions, handle the empty case carefully. Traversal is key. Think about when you need one pointer vs 2. When inserting after ID, okay, what do I need to do exactly? I must build a menu-driven program that supports these operations. Insert at the beginning, add a new student node at the start of the list. All right. So I think I'm gonna say struct student, and we're going to take integer size or integer count. Well, I'm gonna of how many students. Yes, I think I'm gonna do that, like struct student, and it will have struct student integer n. Oh, here we got create list, and this has to be a pointer. Yeah, like that. We got to define struct. Let's just call it head struct node, because I'm used to it that way. Head equal null struct node current also equal to null. All right, here we got to do printf. No, that's in okay. If head equal null, head, oh no, yeah, we got to do here for integer I equal 0, I less than n, I plus plus. We have this here, and we have this here. Okay, now we go struct node new node equal new node. What equal? Yeah, we have to allocate memory for this node. Equal n times no. Okay, and unode next equal none. Well, I think that's how I should do it, but I'm not really sure. If head equal null, okay, then head equal new node, then current equal new node, else current equal new node, current next equal new node, and we have new row. I want you to stay till I'm in the grave. Well, I think my PC is getting hot. Let's see just what's going on. Well, everything's fine. Why is it hot? Well, maybe because it's using all the CPU, but that's fine. Wait. Background. Oh yeah, I can do that. I want you to stay. Hi. Till I'm in the grave. Oh yeah, that seems pretty beautiful. And yeah, that's using my NPU. I guess so. Yeah, you see, that's beautiful. I want you to stay. Okay. Okay, now here we say printf. Here we're collecting nodes, we're just collecting students. Enter. Okay, so here do that. Wait, who the fuck did insert this? Do printf enter data of student number 1. No. Wait, I'm inspired by that Billy song. I want you to stay till I'm in the grave. Okay. Let me define an integer I equals 0. That's going to be our counter of student number %d. And this will be like this, and this I plus 1, and here we go. Scanf. Oh no. Okay, enter data of student number 1. Okay, scan. Okay, printf. Enter. No, I'm not gonna say data because that's UI UX thing. I'm going to say enter ID. Enter ID of student number %d. That's 1. Here we go. Scanf. When we do that, we go %d at new node ID. Then we say printf enter GPA of student number %d. That's also I plus, but wait, no, I plus 1 here got modified. Oh no, okay, we're good. Scan f %f new node and place it in new node in the GPA. And lastly, I want the name. Okay, I'm gonna move it. Enter the name of student number percentage d, that's I plus 1, and I'm gonna scan f percentage s at new node char. I want you to stay. Wait, where did that happen? Oppa. Okay. Damn. Bro, what did happen to me? Okay. Well, and here we do I plus plus while I less than n. Okay, so just for reference, n is here, like I'm going in main to ask the user for how many students do you want to have in your university or your system, etc. So yeah, I will represent n will represent this number. I don't know if you're hearing me well, but I'm gonna try to put the microphone just a bit closer to me so it can like detect my amazing speech in a better way. So, oh my god, my setup is so messy, and this just happened randomly, guys. I did not plan this, but I'm happy it's happening. I want you to stay. I'm not even sitting comfortably. While I less than n, I guess this is how we create the thing. Now I must say I want to reset current equal head, and I'm gonna return head. But there's something in here. Yeah, I'm a print just to see if my function has, cause like yeah I oh my god oh my god okay, printf enter how many students do you want to have, boom 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 boom, and I'm a scan f in here at size, then I'm a call what was called this function, create list of size, then I'm a say for integer I equals 0, I less than size, then I plus plus, printf percentage d. Oh wait, how is it gonna print? Okay, printf. Oh my god. Printf the name of student number percentage d is percentage s, and here we're gonna say that's I plus 1, that's head. Oh no, I want you to stay. What? Okay, so here I return head, and I'm going to start traversing. And since it's of type struct node, I don't need, it's not void. I don't need to like to say or kind of something to put the function in. Just I'm calling it. Okay, I plus 1 is head. Okay. After that we got struct node head equal create list. Yeah, I have to do that of size, and then this is how I call the function. Equal head what that's name. Am I sure the name of student number is percentage? Okay, and I'm gonna have to look because this will be look so messy, and here as well. See, I did it unintentionally here, and here that's percentage. I want you to stay. Oh no, that's wrong, bro. When I'm in the grave. Yo, I know this video gonna be long as hell. Hi, but regardless. Okay. We finished from the name. Now we got for the GPA and for the ID. GPA we're going to F. Here we go to GPA. Here we go to GPA. Here we go to ID, and here I have integer. Here I have S. Here I have what ID. All right, let me just run and see. Oh my god, so everything is in main. Yeah, this does not need name. Okay, regardless, number percentage S. Oh yeah, this is correct. Here this should be F, here it should be D. Okay, let me do that again. Let's say 2 students, enter the name, it's my name Jad, ID 1, GPA let's say 4. Enter the name of student number 2, let's call it Carla, or no, my dear Ghala, with love. That's 0 because like she's on. I'm gonna say 1. I'm gonna give it 100. I know that's for maximum. Enter the name of student number 1. Bro, I just did it. Oh wait, I did the scan here. Oh, okay. GPA 3.5. Ghala. Enter ID of student number 2. Let's say 2 and GPA of 9.33. The name of student number 1 is Ghala. The name, okay, so the thing happened here. I don't have to do that in main, honestly. I just have to create lists and then print them. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is I less than n. Two. Jet. That's 1. That's 4.8. Enter the name of student. Ghala. 2. A GPA 4.99. Okay, so the name of student number 1 is Ghala. Oh wow, there's something in here that's not being reset. Okay, I think I should. Yeah. I think because it's not moving, so I think I should move since it was stuck in head. Okay, 2 JAD ID 1 GPA 3.98 غلا student number 2 to 4.001. Oh shit. Enter the name. No, that was okay. Let's wait, stop and debug. No, this won't be affected. Oh my god, like the fans are so loud. It's the first time ever hearing such voice. But why is though? Should I just unplug the charger? Cause my god, the resources are all... I know cause I'm using my MPU. Oh, they're quiet now. Okay, so I understand. No worries. I want you to stay. Just let me sing for y'all. I want you to stay when I'm in the grave. Bird of the feather, we stick together. And hi, bro. That's... I don't know if I'm going to upload this anyway, but yeah, let's just try to debug what's happening in here. We got to do this. Do printf, like we're getting data from the user, or let's say the principal of the principal of the office in the university that is going to input the data of each student into the system, and we're asking it for the name, ID, and GPA, and we're storing them into the newly created node. I think the problem is here. New node, struct new node. So I'm allocating for this node a space in the memory in the hub that is equal to the space of those. Okay. And I'm saying that's whatever, when I decide to end the cycle, null will point to null. That's how it marks. You mark an end of a linked list. So it starts somewhere and the last node ends always points to null. Okay, if head equal null, which it is initially. Head equal, that's head equal new node. Okay, that's correct. And current equal new node, so they're both initialized at new node. Else, now that head is not equal to new node in the next iteration of the in the for loop, current next, which is head next equal new node, and current equal new node. Wait, is that so? Current equal new node, and create a new node again. That is how it is. Let me see an old example that I did back. Okay. Oh, that's okay. So they say I should point to next first. So yeah, I was right here. I should move it, then assign it. Okay. Then I do the scan. Okay. What's the printf? You entered a list made of following integer. That's how I print the list. But I don't want to print the list, so I just current equal head. That is, and I return head. Oh, okay. What's wrong in here? So let's just, this is, oh wait. Oh, I got the problem. It's in here. Now everything should work fine. Well, let's test and see before jump to conclusions. I want you to stay. Enter how many students do. First one is called Jad of ID 1 of GPA 3.99. 2, that's 4.00. Oh my god. Bro, you see, even the computer itself is picking Ghala. That's that's somehow ridiculous. I want you to stay. Okay, let's just debug what's going in here. When I say integer I equals 0 and I do the print, guys, if somebody like gets why it's not working, just tell me down below in the comments, because ain't no way I'm figuring this without talking to ChatGPT. Since my creation of the list is 100% correct, okay, we forgot to add this one. Let's just add it for sanity. It's not necessary, but it's more like a protection. If the user decided to do something unexpected or unnecessarily with the program, which is like, you know, why do you want to enter the program if you want to have 0 students? Like, get the fuck out of here. Okay, struct node, new node, malloc, tries of struct node, that is correct, new node next null. If head equal null, then head is the new node and current is the new node. Else we print. I just can't leave. I do the scan inside the for loop, is that correct? Yes, so that I can't leave because where? Because new node is not initialized and neither defined outside the for loop, so I gotta stay in there and do the scan in there. Okay, I got now why it's good, because I'm inside a for loop and I'm doing a loop inside the loop. So when, let's say for I equal 1, it will do this iteration 1 2 3, then when I equal to do it again, so I don't have to do the do while loop. That's enough. And those ASCII break are not necessary. Yeah, I'm 100% sure. I'm quitting programming forever if this does not work. I'm kidding. 1 4 no 4 is there for some. Okay, at least we made the process. Here I++, we don't need this here. Yeah, okay, see, that worked. Yeah, good. Let's say 2, enter the name of Jad, ID of student number 1, that's 1, GPA 3.99. I what? Enter the name. Where name, ID, GPA. Oh, okay. No, nothing went wrong. 2, that's 4.00 because you're my baby. The name of student number 1 is Jad, GPA, ID is Jad, the name, student number, percentage d. Here is Shad. Here we gotta do point. Okay, so everything is correct so far. Yes, I want you to stay. Okay, we've done the first part, and it was just loop. Yeah, it was typical loops. I'm still in frame. Yes, I am. It was just all loops, condition and loopholes. Okay, what's next in our function? I want you to stay. You must build a menu-driven program. Wait, I think we went like out of because we just like built our program, and now we're going to start like insert the beginning, blah blah blah. Okay, give me 1 second. I want you to stay. Wait, let me pause because what the hell? I may be where to pause. Okay, I'm back and I changed my position just like I want to sit on something that's more comfortable than the ground. So, okay, okay, let's continue where we left off. We successfully implemented the program that takes input and data of each student from the user. Now we have like to insert at the middle. And that was a whole function that I wrote one time, and it was kinda logically clicking shut up. Okay, here struct node insert at middle. How did it know? And I can easily just come here and copy paste it. Why are those empty? They aren't posed. Oh, it's not empty. Okay. Look at the delete function. How long is it? I know I'm gonna lose my shit over this. Delete, insert a tail, insert red hat. I just can copy and paste it, but no. Let's just stay. Well, how am I? Okay, let's say the user has decided to insert at the beginning of the. Let's just say that the user has decided to insert at the beginning of the linked list, like insert a new head. And let's say, well, I hope the audio is clear to you. Insert at middle. Okay. I must say struct node new head equal head. Okay, I define a new node that's called a new head. Well, the idea is just create a new node and to link it. Struct. Okay. New head next equal head. Well, I think that's how we do that. What did it? Struct node, or we have to new node equal malloc size of what? So struct node. Okay, and what? Let me just pause a bit. It's bathroom emergency. Okay, I'm back. What we have to what we were okay. So we were just inserting at the beginning. But why? What's the end? Like the purpose of new? How did I use it here? Well, yeah, I just want to use that way. New head next equal head. Yes, that's simple as it is. And I'm like, create list of head. Oh, do I need like to get? Of course, I need to get the data. Look, let me just do that. Number 1. That's new head. Okay. Printf. Let's consider that we changed. That we changed the head. Just call struct node and equal insert at middle. Well, it's insert at beginning. It's not middle, honestly. Beginning. And this will take the head. And I'm gonna print for integer I equals 0, I less than size plus 1, I plus plus printf %d. Oh no, I equal 1. D and VPA D, that's ID. I don't think I need the loop anyway, but let's just taste. Let's say okay, so that's what we're inserting at the beginning. Let's go Jad, ID of student number 1. Oh my god. Well, I is always equal to 1. Yeah, I don't need the loop here. Why would I need the loop? Okay, so this did print. This did print 3 times the same node, but I didn't reverse it. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm back. Again, I'm back. Why we're just here? And the student of the new student. Okay, regardless, new head equal head. But what happened in the output? It only printed the new students many times, although new head next equal head. New head equal head. I think so. Well, it should be ++1, 2, jet 3. Oh, I hate that I have to input those all over again. GPA, let's say 3. My baby. I don't know. Still that not work. Wait, when printing, okay, I got where it's going wrong. Here I have struct node current equal new head. Here it should be current current next equal head. Okay, what we have changed here, we are selecting this can move, because at first it wasn't moving. Okay, if this time did not work, okay, let's stop and say just so you know, those lines are only for debugging, like, you know. Let's just delete and start again, start from scratch. Well, struct node, that's a new head, equal malloc the size of struct node. Okay, and this I've created in the hub a new node that is not connected to my linked list. So how do I connect it for it being the first one? I just gonna say, let's import head. Struct node, oh no, let's say that new node next equal head, that's new head, sorry. Okay, and now I have to do that. Equal head, that means I'm here, and that I should continue from there. Okay.
Oh, okay. So just move it this from here. Okay, so at least I know that it's not printing. I know that the problem is happening from main, not from my the function logic. Here's every iteration already clear. Oh. Okay. That's correct, bro. I'm not moving. That shit should be out. Yeah. that should that shit should be like here. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, how did I miss that? So now what did it print? So that's a GPA. And that's her ID, that's her name, that's Jad. Yeah. Just to make it clear. Okay, I don't need this here. Since now I know that how to print. Okay, I know that printing is working correct. Okay. Just like no every yo bro. Insert at end is similar, but it needs it with a bit of twist. Struct node insert at end, and of course it's going to take struct node head. Let's not kill the karma. Let's not start fight. Okay, so struct node current equal head while current next is null. That means Okay, what current next? What current is not null. Okay, current equal current next. If current next equal null, then this is the what? This is the last node in my linked list. Now I gotta insert here struct node new end equal malloc size of struct node. But why? Oh, okay. Struct node new head equal malloc. I got mallocation. But what if current next? I'm gonna do what? Okay. Now I stepped onto the last node. That's correct. Now I'm at the last node. Because if I jump one more, I got... Okay. Few, when it says a few, that means all my code is has assignment instead of oh okay. Yeah, bear with me guys, because those are just like, you know, okay. I just love when ChatGPT says that I did correctly. No, I don't want to grade. Fuck you. Okay, let me give it like my full structure. Oh, what? Your code? Okay. That makes it behave incorrectly or crash. The printing inside create list you wrote. You're printing the same node has repeatedly, never moving forward. That's inside create list. What's happening inside create list? Had did that? Okay, that's correct. But how did it work? Okay, so my main core issue was simply this one is not like it's what I'm doing right now is to remember such stuff because they're not new for me, but instead that I'm missing those. I know the problem here, but here I'm not understanding what's the problem. Here insert at the end is looping incorrectly. Here's your current logic. What current next is not null. Current next. So keep moving. Struct no new head equal malloc current equal next node. Okay, so this line just keep it moving. Since if this didn't happen, like we're inside a for loop without I++, so it keeps on checking on the same node, which is useless. Like, what's the point of the loop if it just doesn't loop? Current new node new head equal malloc. Okay, here's if the next one is called the next one. If what I'm stepping on is the last node, then I'm creating a new node in the hub and current equal new heads current next, and I'm forwarding it from null to new end. That's allocating inside the loop, meaning I try to add a new one for every existing. Also there's an option. Bro, so the thing is, I just where did it allocate? Okay, fuck you, ChatGPT. I'm not using that. I'm going here and saying that where is my create list? No, insert at end. Well, I could here Let's current equal current next. Okay, and I'll fix that, the logic here. I'm gonna pause a bit since I want to just move and refresh. Back again. We were here trying to understand what the hell is happening. So, what's happening exactly? Like, oh my god. Insert at the end, okay, of the last, just so I know, of the last. Let me run it one more time. ID 1, GPA 200. So it did print the user. Now, student number 1 again, let's call her Ghala and have her student ID of 0 and GPA of 4.00. Okay, now it did not reach here. Okay, so there is a problem in here. And not even reach here. Why? That's the question. Why? Strunk is insert at end and it's going to take this as a node to go to. Okay, and struct node insert at end file. Have to let go. What's in the hell is this? So I did initialize in the hub a new pointer to this node in here, and I said this is just a caution condition. Then I created new head also in the hub that said if head is null, that means no valid list was found from the user input, we simply exit. So while current, that's head, next is not null. That means if head, what's after head, what's next to head is not null, okay, enter the loop and move current to its next. Oh, I think here lies the problem, where I'm keep moving current to next. Okay, current next, and I do that, current next, and I do that. I think the F check is necessary. If current next equal null, then current next equal the new end. I don't know if that affects, just selects the position. Doesn't affect any of this. I'm keeping it out of self-confidence. And let me just do some styling to this so it looks always good, because it's looking messy. Here I don't need the new space character. Because I'm pressing enter anyway. Here I do. Let's not kill the karma. Enter ID of student number 2. That's 2. That's 4.001. It's printing. Why printing was correct? here let's try to understand what happened here. Okay, here it just did printing, but there's something in infinite loop. Current equal head. Look, I just don't want to check on this. This is stupid.
I'm sleepy. Pause again. Oh my god. Okay guys, so I gotta leave now cause like I got something, but I promise I will continue it later, okay? Bye.